What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV, and today we're coming to you from Sarasota. Let's get it.
So here we are going over the Sunshine Skyway Bridge from St. Petersburg into Sarasota. On Highway 275, you can see this is the inlet for the Tampa Bay. So this body of water is quite expansive. This is what fills up the whole area of Tampa Bay, the lagoons and everything. So really a cool bridge to cross.
All right, so here we are at the Marina down here in Sarasota. You can see many different condos and some hotels mixed in here. You see a really nice building there. I think that's a hotel, but down here at the Marina, pretty good. What we're going to do in this video is walk around the Main Street area. I might even try and get over to Siesta Key, whether it's in this video or another one. I'm going to give you some information about Sarasota, and let's go ahead and begin walking here around the Marina. We've got a Marina restaurant right there at the dock master's office. Got a nice little park right there on that bay. As I've said in many of the other videos, I really like the Gulf of Mexico side of Florida. So Sarasota is actually the southern city municipality of Tampa Bay. Tampa Bay being St. Pete, Tampa, Clearwater. That whole area is Tampa Bay, but Sarasota is down south. You got to cross this quite interesting bridge. All these yachts here. And actually the population of Sarasota over here, including like Siesta Key and everything, is about 60,000 people. And it's actually known for being home to the Ringling Brothers. So, circus, something that you'll know when you get here. Yeah, we're gonna go up into this area here. Let's do it. So as you can see, we got the Sarasota Bayfront right here on Bayfront Drive and Main Street. Main Street is where I will be going a little later on in this video. But as of right now, I'm gonna go around the Marina here, out to the park there, see what kind of views we can get. So that's where I'm be walking right now. The reason I'm going to do this first before I do Main Street is because today is the Super Bowl, Buccaneers versus the Chiefs, and I will be finishing down there because after that I will be beginning my pregame for the Super Bowl, getting my drinks. So figured I'd walk over here first. Lots of boats. Let's pick up next around this bend here. There's that classic Navy picture. That guy's a second-class petty officer and his wife. I've seen those in San Diego before. Taking the pontoon boat out, huh? It's probably all you need out here is a pontoon boat on this lagoon. Unless you go out into the Gulf. Here's a lay barge, food, cocktails, entertainment, private charters, sightseeing, cruise. Maybe a sunset cruise right there. So I get a lot of questions from you guys asking me about whether or not a place is easy to ride a bike around. And so far, most of these towns, yeah, I mean, you guys were asking, do you need a car? Now, most of the towns that you go to are going to be able to satisfy you for at least 2 to 3 days without really needing to leave. Depending on how fidgety you get, it's going to depend on whether or not it works for you. But Clearwater, Dunedin, Sarasota, You don't need a car here. You don't. You can walk, ride a bike, even Key West, Miami. Worst case scenario is you take an Uber. But if you like to go out into the town, you may do that. Look at this, Tim O'Leary's. This place is cool, man. I might come here and get a beer in a little bit. Anyway, I don't want to film too far in there right now, but that's a tiki bar. Tim O'Leary's Tiki Bar, right on Sarasota. If this is your first time to Island Hopper TV, you can subscribe. Keep up with us. Going around Florida this time around. I have other videos from the PNW, Pacific Northwest. That was what I did last tour that I went on. Now I'm down here in the southeast, thinking about going up to the Redneck Riviera, because obviously there's a few towns up there that are worth checking out. You know, you got Mobile, Alabama, Pensacola, Panama City. Look at this. Destin actually has some of the clearest water. Love to go there during spring break. That's some pretty clear water right there, though. I should have named Sarasota Clearwater. Florida really reminds me of Gilligan's Island more than any place I've ever been. Like, they say Gilligan's Island was filmed in Hawaii, but I would say it's more like Florida with all these islands. And as you guys know, if you've kept up with this channel for a while, I used to live in Hawaii. Anyways, let's pick up over here on the edge. Alright, so now we've made it around the bend here. You can see there's Marina Jack where I started the video. There's that dolphin fountain. Pretty cool little park to come and relax. Some people are fishing, as you can see. Alright, here we are on Main Street. Oh, Smoking Joe's right here. This is to the right of Central and Main. Main Street actually connects all the way down to the actual Marina. We've got Madison City Grill there, the Gator Club. And here we are on Lemon Avenue and Main Street. Like my friend was telling me that we were talking to, they were saying that Sarasota is actually a really cosmopolitan area. I don't think they have an open container law, but what do I know? What do I know? So the Super Bowl starts at 6 p.m. It's currently about 2 a.m. 2 p.m. Starts at 6 p.m. You could tell that good old Sarasota has been impacted by the circumstances with what's going on in the world today. being that Sarasota is part of Tampa Bay Metro. But look at that place. Real estate. It's a cool real estate place. Living Vogue. That's actually pretty good. You guys open today? Sure. Cool. Oh, this might just be where I'll watch the football game, somewhere around this little area here, because it seems interesting. A couple bars side by side, in case you like variety. I was told there is actually an opera house that's down here. Now, I don't know exactly where the opera house is, but I was told that is quite the building. So I will hope to find the opera house at some point in this video. It's a cool little restaurant, Gelato to Go. Is that the name of it? Alright, so you can tell we're on a really nice street corner here. Let's see here. But yeah, Sarasota is very cosmopolitan. I'm surprised it's only got a population of 57,000 people. Just 67, or about 60,000 people population, but really beautiful. Modern. Lots of sunshine. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to try and find you the opera house, because I was told to show you that. Yeah, so we're basically on the other side here. We're gonna make a right, which is gonna take us to the actual opera house. Alright, so the opera house is gonna be somewhere over here. We're just passing Pineapple. This is Central and Main here. The old clock tower. Tell you what time it is. Oh, look at this. Courtesy of Sarasota. Wow. On a bright spring morning in 1885, a surveying team from the Florida Mortgage and Investment Company cleared a 10-foot area in which is today the center of 5 Points. The group was led by Richard Paulson. We will lay out a town of Sarasota from this hub. From this day forward, 5 Points has been considered the heart of Sarasota. So I assume this is 5 Points, because there's the roundabout. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, this is the heart of Sarasota. Initially, an artisan wall was sunk at the site to provide water for the locals and their animals in 1917, after Sarasota's first contingent of servicemen went overseas to fight World War I. All right. Let's keep plugging away here to get to this. There's the 5 Points Plaza. Let's keep going here to get to the Opera House. So you could go any one of the 5 ways and probably find action. But yeah, that was a great idea to start here, because If you look at that lagoon over there, my goodness. You can pause the video here and read this if you want. Friday Liars. Hopefully it comes in pretty clear for you to read that. Crush the like button if you enjoy these history interjections. There's the Selby Public Library. And there's the Opera House. So, from what I've been told, Sarasota is an art-friendly town, and that does obviously include the performing arts. So, right across the street from the library is the Opera House, Sarasota Opera House. Right on Pineapple Avenue. And first, let's keep cruising through here because it looks like they've got some pretty good scenery over here. Actually really nice, kind of mixed between Italian and maybe a little bit of Greece, Spain. It's more Mediterranean feel over here. Here's a little bit more history on Edwards Theater. 1926 was the dream of Sarasota County's native son and notable mayor Arthur B. Edwards, who dedicated himself to the proposition of a modern city. So the theater of Mediterranean revival style architecture, that's so funny because I did say it felt like Mediterranean, and it very much does so. And I'll tell you, I didn't read that until now, so it does feel like Mediterranean. Yep. So add that to your list of things to do when you come to Sarasota. But look at this vine. This vine means business, man. And umbrellas. And look at this one. They copied and went with the vine as well at the Bijou Cafe. You know, it is pretty relaxed here. It doesn't look like there's a lot of people on the streets, and honestly, I kind of like it. I think it's really nice. I'm going to cross the street here because it's so relaxed. I'm not going to hurt myself by doing so. But I like the color. I like the laid back feel. Good old Sarasota. It's a barber shop there. This theater is known as Cocoa Nut. Cocoa Nut. What a beautiful town, huh? Florida Studio Theater. Now, I was told there's a couple places you may want to check out additionally, such as Longboat Key, Siesta Island, and there's a place called Philippe River, I believe. And I was told that is pretty good if you want to swim with manatees down at Philippe River. So, don't quote me on the name exactly, but there's the Art Ovation. I'd assume that's a hotel. Looks like they've got rooftop dining up there, as you can see. But I intend to go to some of these places while I'm here. In a different video, you may be able to see Siesta Key, Longboat Key, and some of these other areas. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, watch some of these other videos right here. Watch some of these other ones. And we will see you guys on the next one.